Alright friends, so let's make an example. I can use enum with switch statement and with class also. So I come here, let's define a class. So my class name kebab class. So you see the Turkish kebab is famous all around the world. So I want to print a message based on the size. So inside this class I will use this size enum. So size, and after that I say kebab size. I define it. Alright. So let's create an object in the main function. I come here. I say kebab, which is my class name, and then let's create an object. I say my kebab equals to new and then kebab. And I will send the size of the kebab as a constructor parameter. So that's why I come here, I say size dot large, for example. So what I need to do, I need to define a constructor here in my class. So how can I do that? I just use the kebab class name here. So I open and close my parentheses. So after that I open my curly braces. So what I sent here, I sent a size. So I come here, its type is size, so that's why I use size. And then I say kebab size, kebab size. Alright, so I refer the object by using this value. So this dot kebab size. I'm reaching the class property. So I assign kebab size to my class property kebab size. Okay, equals to kebab size. I hope you understand it. So let's define a function in my class. So I come here, I say public void, and my function name can be kebab type. Alright, and then I open my curly braces. So based on the size I will print different messages. So that's why I use switch case statement. So I come here, so based on the kebab size I will print it. So kebab size can be small, medium, large or extra large. So my first case is small. If it is small, what I need to do, I need to print my message. So I come here, I say system.out.println, and then I say you selected a small kebab. Alright, so I copy these, I come here and then I paste it, I save it, so I correct it. So I come here, I paste it, and I paste it again. So let's define this variable. So I copy and paste it, I copy and paste it, and I copy extra large and I paste here. So let's change our messages. I come here, you selected a medium kebab. I say for large, you selected a large kebab, and for extra large, I say you selected the extra large kebab. So what I need to do, I need to call kebab type function. So I come here and I say, what's my object name? My kebab. So after dot notation, I use kebab type. I call kebab type function. So what I am sending large value to the constructor. So my kebab size is large. So let's run my program. I run it. You see, you selected a large kebab appears on the screen. If I change it, if I am sending, for example, small to my constructor parameters. So what if I run it? You see, you select the small kebab appears on the screen. So I can use class switch statement with enum values. Alright.